Good afternoon, Juneau. We're back, and we are about to dock. Strong wind right now, cold wind, but sun is shining. You will hear a lot of loud noise behind me because either it's from the ship itself or from one of the planes here in this port, ready to take off. As you can see, people are waiting, ready for our guests to disembark for today's excursion. Time check is at 5 minutes to 2 p.m. Actually, we came in late due to strong wind. Yep, that's the noise where it's coming from. Hopefully, most of the excursions will not be cancelled today due to strong wind and weather conditions. Today, back on board is at hopefully maybe an additional an hour, so supposed to be 10:30 p.m. I might not see most of my guests tonight, that's for sure. Okay. Ooh, it's getting cold. One more month and we're out of this place. Oh, really strong. Ooh. Look how strong they are, pulling back the ship.